Welcome to our channel. DBIT AC1200 dual band router setup in minutes. Unbox and check accessories. Carefully unbox your DBIT AC1200 dual band router. Inside the box, you should find the router itself, a power adapter, an Ethernet cable, and a user manual. Make sure everything is included and undamaged. Plug in the router. Connect the power adapter to the router and plug it into a working power outlet. Wait for the LED lights to turn on and stabilize, indicating that the router is powered correctly. Connect to your modem. Use the Ethernet cable provided to connect your internet modem to the WAN internet port on the DBIT router. This allows your router to receive internet signals from your ISP. Connect to the default Wi-Fi. Now, using your laptop or smartphone, search for and connect to the router's default Wi-Fi network. You can find the network name, SSID, and default password printed on a sticker at the bottom of the router. Access the web interface. Open any web browser, like Chrome or Edge, and type 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1 in the address bar. This will take you to the router's login page where you can begin the setup process. Log into the admin panel. On the login screen, enter the default credentials. In most cases, both the username and password are admin. After logging in, you'll enter the main settings dashboard. Configure internet settings. The setup wizard will prompt you to select your internet connection type. Dynamic IP, PPPoE, requires username and password from ISP, or static IP. Choose the one your internet provider uses. Set your Wi-Fi name and password. You can now personalize your Wi-Fi by setting a new SSID, Wi-Fi name, and strong password for both the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks. This ensures better security and easy identification. Save and reboot the router. After entering all your settings, click on Save or Apply. The router will automatically reboot to apply the changes. This process may take up to 1 to 2 minutes. Connect and enjoy high-speed internet. Once the router reboots, reconnect your device to the new Wi-Fi name you created. You can now enjoy stable and fast dual-band internet across all your devices. Thank you for watching.